This is how you're going to add profile picture in hosting your webmail. One thing to note is that you cannot directly change your profile icon from your hostinger because your hostinger webmail is not connected to your hostinger app itself, but rather to your Google account. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this business email right here. So make sure that you are signed into your Google account. So assuming that I have this signed into my Google account, what we're going to do next is we're going to head over to this three dots right here at the top right corner of the screen. And then from there, we're going to just click on settings. Now, once we're on our settings page, we're going to click on manage your Google account. And then from there, it will open a new tab. Now from here, just going to click on the camera icon just inside your profile icon right here. So just click on the camera icon, and then from there you can just click on add profile picture. So this allows you to choose from illustrations or also for upload from your computer. So for illustrations, you can just start exploring from their library right here, and then you can also just upload from your computer. What we're going to do is you can just upload from computer, or you can just take a picture right away as well. Now, I'm just going to click on illustrations and then choose among all of these. So I'm just going to choose this one. And then you can alter the color, and then you can also crop and rotate however you want. And then I'm just going to click on next, and then we're just going to click on save as profile picture. Now, after that, it will be saved as your profile picture and it's ready to go. And that's it. That is how you can add profile picture in hosting your webmail. Your recipients will be able to see it, although you will not be able to see it from your hosting your webmail. Your recipients can see it. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.